Question number 22. Fast Food Limited issued a prospectus offering 10,000 equity share of rupees 50 each at par payable as follows. Now, information issued 10,000 equity share at the rate of rupees 50 each. Amount was payable as follows. Application rupees 15, allotment rupees 10, first call rupees 15, second and final call rupees 10. Ram, the holder 500 equity share, did not pay the amount due on both the call. Ram, holder 500 equity share, did not pay the amount due on both call. That means first call and second and final call money did not paid. Application and allotment money was to be paid. Next, these 500 shares were forfeited. Now information forfeited. The board of directors 300 of these shares were reissued subsequently at the rate of rupees 55 per share. Show the entry in the cash book and journal of the company. Also prepare opening balance sheet. Now prepare cash book. First, application money received 10,000 shares से rupees 15. तो issued 10,000, subscribed 10,000, fully subscribed. Now 10,000 shares से rupees 15. To share application money received recorded in cash book 1,50,000 share. Next, application money transferred to share capital general entry. Share application account debit to share capital 1,50,000 amount transferred to share capital. Next, allotment money due general entry. Share allotment account debit to share capital 10,000 shares से rupees 10 each, due amount rupees 1 lakh. Allotment money due. And next entry, allotment money received recorded in cash book to share allotment amount received 1 lakh. Next, first call money due. Share first call account debit to share capital account. Amount 10,000 shares से rupees 15, 1,50,000 as a due amount. Next, first call money received recorded in cash book. Now calculate received amount on first call because 500 shareholder did not pay first call money. Now total due amount 1,50,000 share less call in arrear 500 share rupees 15, 7,500. Received amount 1 lakh 42,500 recorded in cash book to share first call. Received amount 1,42,500. Now general entry for call in arrear. Call in arrear account debit to share first call 7,500. Next general entry for second and final call money due. Now share second and final call debit to share capital. Amount 10,000 शेयर से ₹15 फर्स्ट कॉल ड्यू कर चुके हैं. रिसीव्ड सेकंड एंड फाइनल कॉल ₹10, 1 लाख रुपीज ड्यू अमाउंट ऑन सेकंड एंड फाइनल कॉल. नेक्स्ट रिसीव्ड एंट्री recorded in cash book. Calculate amount received on second and final call 1 lakh share. Total due amount 500 share ₹10. Not paid second and final call 5,000 amount as a call in arrear. Received amount 95,000 recorded in cash book to share second and final call. Amount received 95,000. Now call in arrear entry. Call in arrear account debit to share second and final call. Amount 5,000 as a call in arrear, 5,000 debit set, 5,000 credit set. Ram holding 500 share did not pay first and second call. His share were forfeiture. Now forfeiture entry. Share capital account debit ₹500 share से total due amount ₹50 per share. Application allotment first call second and final call total ₹50. Now 500 share ₹50 not received fully called 500 shares से ₹50 fully called up. Amount 25,000 share capital to share forfeiture to call in arrear. Share forfeiture value 500 shares से received amount 25. Now forfeiture value 12,500. Call in arrear 500 shares से 25. Call in arrear 12,500. Call in arrear amount. Next question information. 300 share were reissued at the rate of ₹55 per share. Now 300 share reissued at the rate of ₹55 each. Fully paid up ₹50, ₹5 treated as security premium. Now 300 shares से ₹55 received recorded in cash book. Now 2 share capital and 2 security premium reserve. Share capital value 300 shares से ₹50 each, 15,000 as a share capital. Security premium 300 shares से ₹5, 1,500 as a security premium reserve. Now calculate profit on share forfeiture amount transferred to capital reserve. Now general entry share forfeiture account debit to share कैपिटल। तो री इशूड की एंट्री सीधे डायरेक्ट कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ। अब यहाँ पे जो रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन कर रहे हैं ये 300 शेयर फॉर फ्यूचर ट्रांसफर टू शेयर कैपिटल। नाउ कैलकुलेट 500 शेयर, ये जो हमने फॉरफीट किया इस पे वैल्यू कितनी है 12,500 अमाउंट फॉर फ्यूचर वैल्यू ऑन 500 शेयर। नाउ 300 शेयर फॉर फ्यूचर वैल्यू 12,500 डिवाइडेड बाय 500 into 300 share, 7,500 for future value of 300 share. Now transfer to capital reserve amount 7,500 and 7,500. लॉस ऑन री इशूड कुछ भी नहीं है, तो पूरा अमाउंट 7,500 ने कैपिटल रिजर्व में ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया। नेक्स्ट प्रिपेयर बैलेंस शीट। तो उससे पहले ये कैश बुक इसको कंप्लीट कर लें। टोटल कैश बुक बैलेंस डेबिट साइड अमाउंट 1,50,000 ऑन एप्लीकेशन, 1 लाख ऑन अलॉटमेंट, 1,42,500 फर्स्ट कॉल मनी, 95,000 received on final call, reissued amount 15,000 as a share capital value and 1,500 security premium. Total cash 5,04,000 by balance carried down amount 5,04,000. Now cash book prepare. Next, prepare balance sheet. Information: balance sheet as per Schedule 3 Companies Act 2013. First, equity and liabilities. First, shareholder fund A as a share capital, B reserve and surplus. Now note to account. First, working note to account. First, for share capital, kind of capital, authorized capital. तो क्वेश्चन में कोई ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल नहीं है। एट द रेट ऑफ ₹50 each. Next, issued capital now 10,000 share issued, 10,000 share at the rate of ₹50 each, amount 5 lakh. Subscribed capital, subscribed and fully paid up. तो इसके लिए समझे, टोटल पब्लिकली हमने 10,000 शेयर इशूड किया था। उस 10,000 शेयर में से माइनस किया हमने 500 शेयर विच वाज फॉरफिटेड, 9,500 शेयर। आफ्टर फॉरफीचर 300 शेयर वेयर री इशूड। नाउ पब्लिक होल्डिंग 9,800 शेयर विच वाज फुल्ली paid up. Now 9,800 share at the rate of rupees 50 each, ₹4,90,000. Less कॉल इन एरियर कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐड शेयर फॉर फीचर. तो टोटल पब्लिक से जो भी हमने 500 शेयर फॉरफीट किया था उसमें से 300 शेयर री इशूड कर दिया गया और जो उसका फॉरफीचर वैल्यू था उसको ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया कैपिटल रिजर्व में. तो अब हमारे पास सिर्फ कितने शेयर की वैल्यू बची है, यानी कि 200 शेयर की फॉरफीचर वैल्यू. नाउ कैलकुलेट शेयर फॉरफीचर वैल्यू. 12,500 on 500 share forfeiture value. Now 200 share, 12,500 500 into 200 share value ₹5,000, जो कि अभी भी शेयर फॉर फीचर में बैलेंस एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. तो इस वैल्यू को शेयर फॉर फीचर कंसीडर करेंगे. नाउ टोटल वैल्यू 4,90,000 प्लस 5,000, 4,95,000 एज ए शेयर कैपिटल. And next working note prepare for reserve and surplus. Second, reserve and surplus. Security premium reserve value 300 शेयर से ₹5 प्रीमियम री इशूड करते समय रिसीव्ड हुआ था, जो कि ₹55 पर शेयर री इशूड किया गया. ₹305 एज ए प्रीमियम, ₹5 1500 एंड कैपिटल रिजर्व जो कि हमने अभी एंट्री पास की थी ट्रांसफ़र टू कैपिटल रिजर्व के लिए. Amount transfer to capital reserve ₹7,500. Profit on 300 share. Now recorded in reserve and surplus as a share capital amount ₹7,500. Total value 1,500 plus 7,500, 9,000 in note to account 2 for reserve and surplus. Total value 5,04,000.